Okay, fellas, day two. We had a really good day yesterday. So without further ado, let us dive into the next step in the challenge. Okay, so just a quick recap. So yesterday, what this doesn't show is commissions, so it will show you a $400 move, but the next day it'll take the commissions out. So you can see here, on this account we made 807, and on this account we made 773. I don't know how to kind of show the actual commissions on this, unfortunately, so it's always going to be less the commissions. However, $700, $800 a day is still perfect for the goal that I want to get to. So, ditch that. So let's go. So we're on 4 contracts. We are already on unit 59 or PA 59. Just going to check this for the sense check. So that's the distance we need to make in terms of a $400 profit. That is what would be, I think, a $1,200 loss. So it's been quite choppy. Kind of consolidating a little bit here. I'm tempted to go long at this point. Let's work for that one. Oh, happy days. Happy days. Ooh. Okay. Gets us off to a good start. That's what we want. Especially given it's Friday. We really want to try to close the week out with 2 nice trades for us. So this one, you can see how poor the price action is though. So slow. But we're happy with that. Right, I'm going to pause for a bit, and I'm feeling this price action. It's not really doing too much. That was a nice trade. I'm happy with it. Kind of tilting left, right and centre on which way I was going to go, but kind of just used a bit more of gut feel and intuition, if I'm honest, on that one. But let me pause it and I'll come back on when I'm ready to take the next trade. Okay, fellas, back at the terminal. Let's see if we can get our second trade in, which would be great. Turns into being a nice move in the end, wasn't it? Whether we get in somewhere around here, wasn't it? And then out there. Yeah, if we're just using basic analysis, you know, you got to look at that kind of move, right? And you know, potentially that was a deviation from that move. So if we kind of just kind of take this zone here, you know, that was a deviation away. So inducement, right, expecting the breakout, but the breakout didn't come. We're in. Back on a sec, guys. Can't break through that zone, can it? Just go and get me coffee. Push. nothing to work for this one. Come on, push. Just need one big push here to push through. Come on. Working for this one. Come on, a couple of more ticks. Oh, please. Come on. Push. Get down. Come on. Oh, this time. Look where my order is. Look where the yellow line is. Come on. Keep pushing. No. Oh, one contract got taken off. Ah, 2 contracts taken off. Last push. That makes me happy. The reason it makes me happy, why does it make me happy? Because it's Friday, right? And it's one day. And then the weekend, it's a great feeling going into the weekend when you've had a good day. So that's only half the job done, fellas, right? Because we have two accounts. So now it's on to account 60. We do it all over again. Now you might say, why not just copy trade? I've been there, done it many times and failed. And so this approach is clean, right? It's just 20 ticks and it's just 2 trades, that's it. Of course, the risk outweighs the return. However, what I hope to say, at least in my mind, is that I think with a bit of intuition, gut instinct and trading capability, that the odds are in my favor. Of course, if it only takes 1 loss, right? If I hit 1 loss, it's going to impact me quite hard. But the good news is, where we are at this moment in time, is we are at $1,600 in 2 days on that account. So if I take a $1,200 loss now, yes, it will absolutely hit my drawdown. However, I'm still up and I've still got another opportunity. And so far, we are 6-0. So the 6 being 4 trades yesterday, 2 trades today so far. Oh, so can we make it 6 out of 6 or no? But however, whatever happens with this next account when we trade it in a wait, I might see how things go. The bonus is we've got 1 account that's looking healthy, so that's my kind of take. I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to have a little breather. I don't like to just dive straight in, right after it. So let me just take a pause and then I'll come back when there's something interesting to show. Okay, fellas, back in. You can see this kind of descending triangles holding up pretty well at the moment in terms of structure. What I always look for is whenever I'm doing a trade, so we'll see where the out is, that there's previous price action there. So like you can see that this candle's already gone above that, so we're in here. So ideally, if we can come back up to here, that would be beautiful. Good. Just one of the best trades so far. That already got that one in, so we just need 1 more trade, and that will set us up lovely for the weekend. That would be interested in getting back in if price wants to come back down here. Yeah, so what I was saying is, like, where price action's already been, ease of movement in and around that becomes easier. Like every time we create a high, it's almost like a new liquidity block, right? Or some sort of level. But in and around price action, that's why when I do this, I'm looking for where does the limit order sit in terms of the TP, not so much the actual entry. I want to see where the out is, and also where I'm looking for the stop. Like, is the stop below the, in this case, the second standard deviation? But that was a really nice trade. That was the best trade of the 3, and that gives that's 7-0 between the 2 days. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? We still got a job to do. difficulty of right at VWAP because that's balanced, right? So it can go anyway at VWAP. What's good for us is obviously as time's coming closer, we wanted to kind of deviate away from VWAP in the anticipation that price will probably get back into VWAP before the news event. So just kind of waiting. See a little bit of strength building here for the buyers. Why are we getting so much strength now? Does somebody know something? I don't know. It's difficult to jump on here now to go short because of the strength in that move, but difficult to go long because we're at that resistance. So we just wait. Just so close to the news now, I don't know if we'll get another opportunity. Is it risky to get in here with 8 minutes to go? Yeah, I think it is. I think it is. I think that was just smart. Okay, well, we're in. Called it as being stupid, didn't I? Would like that to be below. I mean, that's a deviation below this line as well, right? Which is the only good thing we could potentially hope for. I don't know where now my order was. Oh shit. The reason I've done that is because we're so close to the deviation there, and if it had got stopped out there, I'd have been absolutely wounded. So we're just going to have to eyeball this. Oh, it's getting ropey now, those candles. Try and get out there if possible. It's about 4, I think. Got a minute to do it. Or it's gonna get real freaky. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Confused on that. So I'd already had the first one in, right? I must have took a loss because of I'm assuming, I don't know, that was just weird. Anyway, let's get back on it. Snipey. It's 500 there of 2 contracts, pretty certain. That will do. We will take it. So, we're now on, in 2 days, across each account, say $1,500. So that's a really good move. I don't need to do any more trading today. That was slightly risky, silly at the end. Let's have it right. I think I got whipped out though with it. I'm assuming the spread must have been crazy in the slippage when I tried to just flatten all. It's never a good thing to try and do when the market's crazy volatile, but I was more panicking about where that was going to go. And to be honest with you, that big move up there probably would have, I assume, probably would have skipped my order anyway. And with drawdown and everything else, it just wasn't worth holding. So all's well that ends well, I guess. So that's me for today. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll be back Monday. Speak soon.